Hi, welcome guys. Thank you for tuning in again to AMCrypto. My name is Alex and I want to show you something that I was talking yesterday about, and that was the biggest Tether deposit in Bitcoin history. And I mentioned to you that I was expecting a huge move brewing in Bitcoin. And let us just go back to the video from yesterday. There you go. Huge deposits in Tether, a huge move for Bitcoin was incoming. Let me show you what happened the last two times. So here I'm now here on the Bitcoin day chart, and here I've marked the dates when we had huge Tether deposited on exchanges and then the move that happened afterwards. And look at this here. Like I said, on the 20th of August, we had a huge Tether deposit here, and afterwards, look what happened to Bitcoin. It went on a massive run here from, let's take it here from the high, from roughly $12,000 all the way up to $41,555. Then we had a small correction phase here to the downside, and then we had another historical high deposit in Tether on the 3rd of February, and there we went from, but take it again from the highest on the day, from $37,660 all the way up to our high that we had of $65,000 more or less. So just let me pull it up here. Yeah, $64,500. Now we had another huge correction here to the downside. And yesterday, as I have shown you just on the other chart, we had the biggest deposit in Bitcoin history, and we have here also already a green candle on the daily chart. So what will happen next? In my humble opinion, I believe the next huge move for Bitcoin is incoming, and you can see exactly as I predicted, there was a huge move just afterwards, after I released my video, coming in Bitcoin. And now let's go here into the chart. Here I'm back on my Tether deposit chart with the price action that happened afterwards, as you remember from yesterday. So I found today something interesting here in the chart. Every time when we had the Tether deposit day, we had here a green candle. So you can unfortunately not see it so good because I have to delete the line for that. But look here on the 20th of August, and here on the box, if I put it a little bit away, there is a green candle there. There you see it, there's a green candle. And afterwards, we had always a red candle, and then we start to trend upwards here with the first biggest deposit. We saw the same thing here the second time. Here you see the green candle a little bit better. Here in this section, there is a green candle there. There you see it. We had again a red candle afterwards. Then we went to the upside, and look what happened now. Yesterday, we had here a really nice big green candle. What do we have today? We have again a red candle. So what will most likely happen next? Most likely, from past history, because we know history rhymes, we could potentially see here now, tomorrow, the start of the next uptrend. So but what will happen here in the next coming hours in Bitcoin? Let me show you that too. Here I am back on our W pattern. So we have created here this lower low, then a higher low, and the price action has formed here the double bottom W shaped pattern with the neckline at around $35,117, and we have now tested that level already 3 times in these last 3-4 hour candles. And now on the stochastic RSI, we can see that we are in oversold conditions. We are at close to the 100% and get now even a sell signal here with the blue line crossing over the red line and giving us a sell signal. So in the immediate short term, we could see some more downwards action here in Bitcoin so that the stochastic RSI can cool down and go back to at least 30-40% before turning up again, or even go all the way down to 0% and get up from there again. And then the momentum will also shift again to the upside. We will see it also in the price action. So what I expect here now in the immediate short term on the 4-hour chart is that we might get here some sideways action and then actually the break above the neckline, a retest, and then we will move up all the way to the technical target of $41,700. Another indication that we will here move to the upside pretty soon is the EMA ribbon. So every time when the yellow string, which is now to the downside, is breaking back into the EMA ribbon and is working its way back to the top of it, we see that also the price is going to the upside. So you can see that, for example, let me give you a good example. So here in this section, we have a good example for that. So here we are more or less now at this point here. So where the EMA ribbon is starting to twist and the yellow string is working its way back to the top of the ribbon. So, and you see also then that the price action was following that way to the upside. So the only difference is that I believe that we will see then something like this here once we flip the yellow string back to the upside. So we have to wait here maybe another day to get the confirmation here on the EMA ribbon, but the likelihood for me that this is going to happen is pretty high, and I'm pretty confident in saying that. So when we go now to the 1 hour chart, there we see already a really clean picture, and that is what I want to see also on the 4 hour chart, that once we are flipping here the yellow string to the upside, that we get a retest of it like here, and then another pump to the upside, and that we stay above the ribbon. That is for us really important. Once I see this happening on the 4 hourly chart and a break above our resistance neckline of the W pattern and we get a retest, there I will open my next trade. And when we have a look here on the Wyckoff distribution pattern, we can see here how accurately the price action is following this pattern here to the dot. It is crazy how accurately the price action is following this pattern right now. You guys know that I had several trades open and also had given you warnings and signals on my Twitter account. My Twitter is mycryptocoach. There you can see here that I told you don't forget to take profit yesterday, and that I will take 50% off the table of my trade at $35,000. So you can see here in the first screenshot, that was when I was taking my profit here, 0.279 Bitcoin was taken off the table, and also that I had raised my stop loss to $34,500. And my stop loss got now in the recent price action triggered. So this trade is now closed, but in high profits. So I made here roughly $17,500 profit. I'm absolutely fine with that. I can also show that here on my Phemex account. My realized PLN is here for this trade 0.53 Bitcoin. I'm absolutely happy with that. And now I'm waiting on the sidelines for my next trade. And my next trade will be here, this W formation. So sometimes we have to wait. We want to preserve capital. We are not gamblers. We waiting with the shotgun in the grass until we see our targets coming through and then pull the trigger. So if you like this video, please smash up the likes, subscribe, share with your friends. I'm so happy, guys. You cannot even imagine. I'm close to tears. I get goosebumps right now when I'm even talking about it. You smashed my video to the sky yesterday, and I'm so happy for that. Oh fuck, they're coming to tears. So yes, I'm absolutely blown away by the love that you have shown me. So yes, so please share as much as you can with your friends. And if you want to take advantage of the next trade that I'm gonna take here with this W pattern, which will unfold over the next couple of days, then go in the description, click on my Bybit link. You can get $1,600 in bonus absolutely for free after depositing some Bitcoin into your Bybit account. With a $1,600 free bonus, you can go and trade with 20x leverage. It would be a $32,000 trade absolutely for free. Thank you guys for tuning in, and see you in the next one.